Everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I'm here at Just Like Papa for the next riders table. It's going to be quite an amazing turnout. There's so many bikes here, absolutely incredible. And we've got quite a lacquer ride planned today over the Franschhoek Pass, which is one of my absolute favorites. So I can't wait to get this ride on the go. Oh boy, what an amazing stretch that was. It was well paced. I got some really nice footage, and yeah, we stopped here for fuel again. All the fast boys' tanks are already empty, so they all need some petrol, and then we're gonna head up to the Franschhoek Pass. Okay, boys and girls, let's go run Franschhoek Pass. So we've made a stop here at the Freedom 301 bar, and as you can see from behind me and on the walls and pretty much everywhere else, that this place is literally like dedicated to the life of motorcycles. Check, you can see everything that's behind me. They've even got this really cool like fastest burger challenge that is inspired by the man Brad Bitter himself. So we're here gonna grab a little bite to eat, wait out the time so we can make it back for the trek back into the city, and we'll take it from there. I'm having such a blast so far. This ride has been really awesome. I just want to say, please, if you're enjoying the video so far, just give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel down here so you guys can keep watching more of these cool videos. we've just done the last stretch of a ride from Franschhoek back through to Tommy's Chop Shop, which is actually the back of Just Like Papa, the meeting place where we met up for this ride. So it was really cool. It was a lekker ride. Stopped here, going to see whatever the bikes come in and just hang around for a little bit and call it quits for the day. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please, I'd really appreciate it if you give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything and it lets YouTube know that you like more videos like this. The algorithm thinks you should check out this video over here, so please do me a favor, take a look at that. And remember, life is going to throw a ton at you, but whatever it does, don't look down, look ahead. And until next time, ride safe.